I'm Rutledge.
And I'm Des.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. Today is March 5th, 2026, and this is also the last broadcast that Gracelyn, Bennett, me, and Des will be working on.
It's okay, you don't have to say it. We already know that we'll be the favorite script cast. Oh, and speaking of our group, this is Bennett, the video editor, and Gracelyn, the scriptwriter.
So on to the news of the day. Today, the 7th graders will be visiting historic homes in Oregon City. Students will be called out of class at the end of first period. They will return to CMS between 1:30 and 2 p.m.
But that's not the only field trip to look forward to. If you made honor roll for this second quarter, then be sure to turn in your permission slip and money to Mr. Salzman or Mrs. Collins to go to the High Score Arcade in Malala.
Wow, sounds fun. I'm glad I'm going. We'll also have a kickoff assembly for the American Heart Challenge on March 12th from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m.
Well, CMS sure is busy right now because dance tickets are being sold in the Commons during lunch. I know I'll be sure to get my tickets soon so I don't forget.
Good call. Now that all of that news is out the way, it's time for the character of the week. Drum roll, please. Zoe from Zombies.
Oh, what movie is that?
The one about zombies.
Oh. Anyway, on to the joke of the week. What did one bug on the windshield say to the other bug on the windshield?
What?
I bet you don't have the guts to do that again.
That's disgusting. And now it's time for Pet Corner. Today's Pet Corner submission is from our very own Miss Sam. Here is Maple. She is a Frenchie Border Collie mix. One cool thing about Maple is that she is a survivor. She went on an adventure and got lost for 3 days. She made it home perfectly fine. She loves kids and hates the Amazon driver.
Please see Miss Collins in room 124 if you would like to sign up for the Washington, D.C. trip in March of 2027.
Before we go, we have some basketball highlights to watch.
B team versus Jarvis. Nice stop by Colton. Everett to Tyler. Good save by Gabe. Nice layup by Elliott.
Now this is A team versus Jervis. Tanner with the bobble. Down to Trey. Up to Trevor. Over to Branson. Down to RJ. Back over to Branson. Down to Trevor. Back up to Branson. Down to RJ. RJ with a spin move and a nice layup.
Looks like they had an exciting season.
Yep, looks like they had fun. And track practices has already begun. But it's not too late to sign up and join. See Miss Bauk for details.
And that's all for the CMS broadcast.
Bye.
Bye.